this line, it's crazy. We all the way back here. We're supposed to be up there. Can y'all see? I don't think y'all can see. Like, you see that car? We're supposed to be past that car. The line. And we still not even at the front. This side looks good. I just need a car wash. Alright, let me get back in the car for everybody stop pumping. Check this out. I know I fucked up. I'm gonna speak on that later. Hey y'all, we finally here. Got my Mustang out. You can see how I run. As you can see, they going crazy in the back. I'm a little nervous. I never really slid my car. Never really slid my thing like this. I done donuts over there. That's a little bit. I don't have no backup tires, so this is it. This is it.
Bring them out, bring them out. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, so how I do? I don't know. Nigga was kind of nervous. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I was definitely nervous. I'm gonna do one with her in the car next. How was it? Trinity.
Huh?
Trinity.
Yes.
How was it?
Fun.
1 out of 10?
10.
10? I can't even slide my car like that, y'all.
It was fun in the inside.
Y'all, that's my first time actually sliding my car. Like no little donut. I was trying to do something, you feel me? But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Got my money's worth.
Yeah, oh, I look ugly. You gotta cut that part out. I wasn't looking.
But yeah, bro, we having fun, man. Check out this Fox body. Damn, that's a big ass turbo. Yo, me again. She can roll with you? Yeah, okay. Scared?
You want to help her with the belt?
Yeah, I'll help her. Yeah, I like, yeah. In first gear, I try to stay in first gear.
Took me a while to figure it out.
Okay. How long you been doing this?
Since 2017 or 18.
Oh, okay.
A little while now.
Okay. How I look? Scared? I look scared?
The lighting is bad from my angle.
Oh. Oh, shit. That was amazing, man. That was amazing. Holy shit. Thank you.
No problem, buddy. Here, so grab that and spin it.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate
anytime,
it.
man.
Yep.
Hop in anytime.
That was my little runs. Hopefully y'all like it. I'm not a drifter. Let me get that out the way. I am not a drifter. But I had a ton of fun, as y'all can tell by my big smile. You have fun? She had fun. She had fun. We about to go get something to eat after this, so stay tuned. Make sure y'all commenting. If this is a W video, comment W. Ooh, y'all see how I did? That's so ghetto of me. But make sure y'all comment y'all W. And here we go. Alright, see y'all. Check this out. Y'all think it's still good? I think it's still rideable. A few more runs on this. I'm gonna put that right back on. And roll that on up. Alright, I just got done changing all 4 of the tires. They're all 255s in the, yeah, they all 255s all around. These are 265. I need an alignment bad. Look, y'all. I don't know, but you can see the thread on that. Don't ask me what brand they are. They're 4 different tires, but I needed them. I got these from a friend for 200 bucks, so came in clutch. What y'all think about the black on it though? Now that they on there, I kind of like them better. These supposed to be silver, but my brake does turn on like a gunmetal gray, and I kind of like that better. I don't know. I feel like those grew on me. I didn't like those at first. Yep, all around for $200 though. Can't beat it. I just gotta go get a car wash now. Rinse them off. Put my side cuts up. So I'm gonna keep these because my plan for this is to get some welds in the back, some 17s in the back, 305s I think. We get those in the back, and I don't know if I'm gonna run these both 19. No, this is a 20. Is this a 20? I think this is a 20. Yeah, this is a 20. I don't know if I'm gonna run the 19s in the front or the 20s in the or the 20s in the front. That gap is crazy. Look at that. Can fit my head in there, man. But yeah, we about to actually get something to eat. No, first we're gonna get a car wash because my car is filthy. As you can see by my hand. I don't know, that black kind of look good. But yeah, we're gonna get a car wash. Then we're gonna get something to eat. Y'all, we are actually downtown. I couldn't get a car wash because it is dark. Dang. Yeah, I couldn't get a car wash because everything's closed. It's good. But everything was closed. Check the drip, got the Crocs on.
Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom. And brought me back from being too far gone. You are as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as your love all the time.
The same old places.
Trinity. How was it? Trinity.
Yes.
How was the food?
10 out of 10.
10 out
No,
of
actually, the garlic knots was too greasy.
2 greasy on the garden knob. I need that damn tripod. Oh my gosh. It
See
is.
how dark it is?
I give it an 8 out of 10. My pizza wasn't as good as it usually be, but it was still good. Give them a try. But I'm gonna end the video here. If y'all like, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all hit a thumbs up. Comment what you like about it, and make sure you subscribe too, cause I do car content and I eat. So see y'all later. Bye.